Want to show off your music taste and let everyone on Discord see what you are listening to in real time? Let's sync Spotify with your Discord account in less than 30 seconds. First, open Discord and click the user settings gear icon at the bottom left corner. Next, look at the sidebar and click on Connections. Here, you will see a grid of apps. Click on the Spotify logo badge. A secure browser window will pop up asking you to log into your Spotify account and authorize the link. Simply click Agree. Once connected, toggle on Display on Profile and display Spotify as your status. Now, whenever you play a song, your Discord profile card will display a dynamic live music bar showing the track name and artist. If this quick Techavro tutorial helped, drop a like and subscribe for more premium tech guides. See you next time.